Well, good morning, everyone. It's Michelle from Michelle's Ink It Stamp It, and today I'm going to show you the paper that I'll be using, or the kit that I'll be using for my design team project for Studio 28E. She's on Etsy, and this is the Our Blue Hue journaling kit. So this is one of her new kits. And it's gorgeous. I love the all the little designs and the elements in it. There's quite a bit of ephemera that goes with it too, so I think I'm going to have some fun. I love ledger paper, so this is great. I don't know if you could see all the lines or this one. I was at Monet's garden in France, and his kitchen had this. This really reminds me of it, the background there. A little more yellowy. It was really yellow and blues all throughout. It was gorgeous. This is printed up on just regular 20-pound copy paper, and it is, I have an inkjet printer. I use the Epson 2760, the Eco Tank. So I'm really happy with the colors. I love this blue. You can tell when you fold these in half, they're suited for journaling pages, so they work really well that way. There's lots of fine detail in the paper and the backgrounds. It's going to be a fun kit to work with. I love this. I really like all the real light script in the background, and the I don't know what that design is called, but I really like it. I love the colors, just the subtleness of them. This, I don't have I kind of have an idea what I want to do with this, but I don't really know exactly, how that'll work out, but that's going to be fun to see. Here's that lined paper again with a blue background to it. Here's the start of the ephemera. These I'll download into my Cricut and have my Cricut cut those out. I have some of these in other colors too, so that will be, I'll have to go through them and see what other colors I have them in that might go with the kit. Envelopes and pockets and tags and another envelope. I'm making my masterboard right now, and I'm going to put some of these on here. This here says fold over page or separate at the jar tops. So you can, cut this out and fold it in half and put it over the top of your page, so one on one side, one on the other. I have a couple of ideas what I want to do with this too. We'll see how that turns out. I always love the jars. Be fun to just make an album with all the jar ones that I have. And book library card. I couldn't think of what that was called. That would be cute to go into the pocket. That probably fits right in there. All right, that's the end of the ephemera kit. So we're going to see how this turns out. I'm excited to see what I do with it. All right, we'll talk to you all soon. Please like and subscribe over here, and I will put some other videos that you might be interested in over here. All right, thank you. Go create something fun. Bye.